You know what I just realized? Thanksgiving's tomorrow. How are we going to possibly cook Thanksgiving dinner in an RV?
You gotta remember, we got an oven now. Last time we cooked it in a Nesco roaster, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. Oh, I guess we got to figure something out.
Taco Bell. They're probably open on Thanksgiving.
Yeah, Taco Bell. Oh. Can we actually cook something in this oven?
Maybe a Cornish hen.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to fit a turkey in there.
12-inch pizza.
Pizza? I'm all for pizza. Did somebody say pizza?
I love pizza. Gonna need some of that for the holidays there, Sally. And wine. The holidays are gonna be that bad, huh? That's pretty bad.
Last call for Taco Bell for Thanksgiving. This is how Marty leaves things. He knows how to cook. He's a very darn good cook.
That's right.
But he sure as heck doesn't know how to clean up.
I clean up when I feel like it.
Yeah.
Well, that's only a couple things. You can put them away. What?
You got me trained well. How much longer? I'm like starving.
Turn the oven up. Turn it on high. Turn it on broil.
It's on broil. That ain't gonna make it cook any faster. That's just gonna make it burn. Oh wait, you're used to that. When I'm cooking. I see you. Earthling, take me to your leader. My potatoes have eyes. Da-na-na-na-na. I'm going in. Ooh, that looks good. I'm thinking we can put the premium casserole in. This much butter or this much butter?
The whole stick in.
But this much. You don't need the whole stick.
Like heavy whipping cream in there too, right? Heavy cream
No.
instead of milk.
Almond milk. Sorry. Hate to disappoint you, Marty, but
Oh well.
oh, I think we can eat. So we have, in our non-traditional RV Thanksgiving, we've got green bean casserole, mashed potatoes, ham, cranberries, of course, for me, some dinner rolls, and then last but not least, there is a pumpkin pie.
Homemade.
Homemade by yours truly.
Potatoes.
As much as I'd like to have thirds, I think I'm gonna save room for dessert. How about you?
Me too.
Yeah, right. I bet you he goes up and fills his plate again. Like I ate so much, I got the dreaded meat sweats. How do you feel?
I ate too much.
I think Marty's giving birth to a bouncing baby. Before we start dishing up the pie, we gotta clean up our mess. Gotta put all this away. Yeah, the bread pans. I didn't bake any bread, but somehow those got dirty too. Marty.
What?
Just kidding. There's no way. This is like the best part of Thanksgiving ever. Homemade pumpkin pie with a graham cracker crust. Having Thanksgiving in our RV the day before Thanksgiving is a rather non-traditional way to celebrate Thanksgiving. But I'm no stranger to celebrating Thanksgiving in non-traditional ways. My family has traditionally celebrated Thanksgiving on days other than Thanksgiving. I really can't even remember the last time we celebrated Thanksgiving on actual Thanksgiving Day. And besides all that, who really needs to have that stress, that hustle, that bustle, that anxiety over creating the perfect Thanksgiving dinner? There was that one time when my mom made pizza for Thanksgiving. Yeah, pizza. And I'll tell you what, that was probably one of the best darn Thanksgiving dinners I ever had. So, this year, when everything seems like it's all non-traditional with everything going on in the world, just remember, Thanksgiving is really all about what you make it. Since Mr. Wiener Dog is no longer with us and can't share in my awesome homemade pumpkin pie, I guess I'm just gonna have to eat it all by myself. Can I just say, this is probably one of the best pumpkin pie recipes or pumpkin pies I've ever made. Never mind the recipe, I kind of winged it, but oh. And yeah, it's a little overdone on the crust, but I think it gives it character. Hey sightseers, happy Thanksgiving from our RV kitchen to yours. If you enjoyed the vid, make sure you give it a big ol' thumbs up. They are free. If you haven't subscribed already and you're enjoying our adventures, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the little bell notification so you don't miss out on any future vids. And if you're already subscribed, well, there really isn't much else for you to do except watch the vids and share on your social media accounts. Until next time, this is SightseeingSally. Special thanks goes out to all our fellow sightseers here on Patreon and PayPal. Without you, these videos wouldn't be possible. What? Nobody told me peaches were going to be on the menu. I think somebody's feeling a bit cheeky today. Okay, I'll stop with the butt jokes, but they are really funny.